Discuss the answer for your homework. So, homologous series, alkene. Alkene. Homologous series. Okay. Okay, general formula CnH2n, where the N can start with 2, 3, 4, and so on. The functional group for alkenes is carbon-carbon double bond, or you can just draw like this. Okay, it's considered as carbon-carbon double bond. Okay, next look at the table. For the number of carbon 2, the structural formula as shown. So molecular formula is C2H4 and the name is ethene. Condition at room temperature is a gas. Okay, when N equals to 3, so the molecular formula is C3H6. So the name is propene. So it is also a gas. Okay, for propene, we just name it propene, not prop1 in. Even though the double bond is located at carbon 1. Why? Because there is no prop 2 in. It will always be prop 1 in. So there is no what we call isomer. Okay, next. When N equals to 4, the molecular formula C4H8. Okay, and then the name is good 1 in because the double bond here is located at carbon number 1, so good 1. So if the double bond is here, the name must be good 2 in. But when the double bond is here, so this one will be carbon number 1, so the name also good 1 in. So we have good 1, we have good 2. So condition room temperature, yes. Okay, number 5. Okay, I just draw the double bond at carbon number 1. So the name pen 1 in C5H10. So drawing, make sure all the atoms are written. Carbon 5, hydrogen 10. The name is pen 1 in, and the condition at room temperature is liquid. Okay, if double bond is located at carbon number 2, the name will be pen 2 in. Okay, when the double bond located at carbon number 3, they will call it pen 2 in because it start numbering from here. Okay, okay, number 6. Number 6, we have 6 carbon and 12 hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, the name is hex 1 in because the double bond is located at carbon number 1 and also liquid at room temperature. Okay, so if N equals to 7, so we have 7 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this one correct. The name is hex 1 in and liquid at room temperature. If N equals to 8, so same method, we draw because the carbon carbon double bond is at carbon 1, so the name is oc 1 in, liquid at room temperature, molecular formula C8H16. Okay, next, number 9. Number 9, if N equals to 9, so the formula C9H18. Okay, so the name is non 1 in, liquid, and this one is structural formula. So when N equal to 10, so C10H20, the name is DEC 1 in, liquid at room temperature, and this is the structural formula. Okay. Okay, next, fill in the blank by choosing the suitable answer from the text box below. Alkenes are unsaturated carbon. Okay, the names end with "in". The general formula for alkene is CnH2n. Okay, generally alkene have low melting point and boiling point, but increases as the number of atom per molecule increase. Alkene have low density but increase as the number per atom increase. Alkene are immiscible. Immiscible ni maksudnya dia tak boleh terlarut campur dengan air. But are soluble in organic solvent. Contohnya minyak akan larut dalam spesies minyak juga. Alkene cannot conduct electricity. Why? Because alkene does not have free moving ion. So it consists of neutral molecule. Okay. Alkene burn with more sooty flame compared with alkene at the same number of carbon atom because percentage of carbon by mass in alkene is higher. Okay, masa penerangan lagi tu saya dah explain. Okay, compared to alkene, alkene more reactive due to the presence of carbon-carbon double bond. Okay, alkane and alkene can be identified with the test using bromine, water or acidified potassium manganate 7 solution. Alkene decolorized both reagent while alkane does not. Alkane does not because dia saturated. Bila saturated, dia tak boleh terima bromine. Bromine nak masuk tak boleh. So it cannot decolorize. Small alkene molecule undergo addition reaction with one another. Thousands alkene molecule link together to form large molecule. This reaction is called polymerization. Okay, give the name for each alkene compound below. Okay, this one ethene. This one we have chlorine. So chlorine akan jadi chloro. So asalnya dia adalah ethene. So dia jadi chloroethene. Okay, this one 1, 2, 3 prop. Dia ada double bond satu. So namanya propene. Sama macam tadi kita tak ada prop 1, prop 2 sebab dia memang akan prop 1. Okay, next this one. Here is methyl. Cabang metil. Okay, ini this one is the longest chain dia. Ada 3 propene double bond pada karbon pertama. So propene. Pada karbon kedua ada metil. 2 metil propene. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, you can see here. There is 2 carbon-carbon double bond. The first one is at carbon 1. The second one is at carbon 3. So we have 4 carbon atom. So the name is boot. And the last name, because of the carbon-carbon double bond, is in. But now we have 2 double bonds, so diene. And the number is used to show where the double bond is located. So it is boot 1, 3/diene. Okay, next. Okay, kalau kita nampak macam ni, jangan kita ingat cabang. Sebab dia straight je sebenarnya. Saja dia nak biar korang tertipu. Okay, and then dia ada 1 kloro. Oleh itu, this one carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3. So, dia adalah propene and ada 1 kloro pada propene. So, 1 chloropropene. Okay, here, the longest chain 4 carbon atom. So, boot. This one is carbon number 1. So, boot 1, they have carbon-carbon double bond. And this is a branch what we call methyl. So the name is 3-methyl but 1-ene. Okay, next here the longest chain. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So but in because has carbon-carbon double bond, and 2 because double bond is located at carbon 2. So but 2-ene. Okay, now draw structural formula. Okay, you are given the molecular formula or the name of the alkene or compound. So you must draw the structural formula. Okay, so C5H10. So C5, and then H10 must be one carbon-carbon double bond. Actually, you can put the double bond anywhere you like it, but then complete the hydrogen. Please remind that carbon always have 4 legs and hydrogen must 1. Okay, next 2-methyl but 2-ene. So the first step, draw but 2-ene. Then put methyl at carbon 2. Okay, this one 2-chloro, not chlorol. 2-chloropropene, just put propene and then 2 at carbon number 2, there is chloro. Next, 3-methyl butene. Actually, kalau dia kata butene ni maksudnya but 1-ene. Okay, so butene, but 1-ene. So at carbon number 3, there is a methyl. Okay, pen-2-ene. Pen-2-ene. Okay, pen maksudnya ada 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add carbon 2, dah ada carbon-carbon double bond. And then lengkapkan hidrogen. Jangan cacatkan. Berdosa hukumnya. Okay, the last one is hex 1,3-diene. Hex maksudnya berapa? Hex adalah 6. Okay, 1,2-diene maksudnya ada 2 double bond. So, mula-mula kita buat hex. Ada 6. Kemudian, pada karbon pertama, ada double bond. Pada karbon ketiga, ada double bond. Okay, so kemudian kita lengkapkan kaki karbon supaya genap ada 4. So, kalau kita tengok sini, 1, 2, 3, 4 cukup. 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 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, perfect. Okay. Okay. Activity 2, write molecular formula and structural formula for the product for every reaction of propene below. So, kalau you all tengok hari tu, kita dah belajar mostly tentang ethene. So, kat latihan ni kita try propene. Paling-paling ganas pun silibus korang boleh ditanya sampai butene. Tapi butene tu sangat jarang ditanya. So, yang biasa adalah ethene dengan propene. Okay, so kita tengok sikit. Propene, formula dia C3H6. So, excessive oxygen heat ini adalah combustion. Okay. So, kalau kat sini adalah complete combustion. Yang ni limited pula. Incomplete combustion. So, complete combustion, we produce carbon dioxide and water. Where incomplete combustion will produce carbon monoxide and water, and also carbon and water. So, this one we call it soot. Okay. This one is addition polymerization. Addition polymerization, kalau you all nak buat equation dia, you all just boleh buat macam ni. N, kemudian dia jadi yang ini. Buat bracket terus gini. Or you can draw like this. Okay. Sebab asal dia double bond ni kat sini. Okay. So, bila dia nak jadi polimer, dia kena letak karbon-karbon double bond kat tengah. Yang ini naik atas atau turun bawah. So, kemudian dia akan buang double bond ni. Okay. So, apa yang berlaku? Dia akan buka kiri, kanan. Kemudian dia jadi N. So, kat sini kita lengkapkan hidrogen dia. Ni baru lukisan yang betul. Kalau etin mudah, propin leceh, dia kena naik atas atau turun bawah. Karbon yang ni. Okay. Okay, next. Propin. When react with water actually in the form of steam, 300 degrees Celsius, 60 atm, and phosphoric acid as catalyst. This one nama reaction dia hydration. Hydration adalah satu reaction to produce alcohol. So kat sini dia akan tambah air. Dia buka double bond. Satu terima H, satu terima OH. Kita boleh, kalau OH masuk dekat karbon kedua, dia akan jadi propan 2-all. But if OH masuk karbon pertama, nama dia propan 1-all. So during reaction, kita akan dapat campuran dua ni. Okay, saya nak ingatkan, karbon kena ikat dengan oksigen dulu, baru hidrogen. Sebenarnya karbon tu ikat dengan oksigen, daripada oksigen ikat lagi satu dengan hidrogen. Sebab apa? Oksigen mesti ada 2 kaki, hidrogen mesti ada 1 kaki. Okay. So, propene with HCl, hydrogen chloride, maksud dia addition of hydrogen chloride. So, bila dia buka double bond, satu akan terima kloro, satu akan terima hydrogen. So, kalau kloro masuk karbon pertama, nama dia 1-chloropropane. Kalau dia masuk pada karbon kedua, nama dia 2-chloropropane. Okay. Next, propene react with chlorine. So, this one namanya chlorination. Di bawah nama halogenation general dia. So, apa yang berlaku bila double bond buka, satu akan terima Cl, satu lagi pun terima Cl. Nama dia 1,2-dichloropropane sebab ada 2 kloro. Okay. Next, propane react with hydrogen gas in the presence of nickel at 180 degrees Celsius. So, ini nama reaction dia hydrogenation. Okay, di mana dia tambah hidrogen, dia buka double bond. So, dia akan jadi propane. So, daripada propane, dia boleh jadi propane. Okay, and the last one. Addition of acidified potassium manganate 7 solution. This one akan dinamakan oxidation. So, dia akan terima OH. OH. So, nama dia propan 1,2-diol. Sebab kalau ada 1, ol je OH dia. Kalau ada 2, diol. Kalau ada 3, triol. Tapi kita belajar 2. Okay. Okay, next. Next we go to reaction to compare chemical properties of alkene and alkene. Okay. Reaction with oxygen. Hexane burns with a yellow sooty flame. Sooty juga. Tapi hexene burns with very sooty flame. So ingat, very sooty. Sooty. T-Y je. Sooty flame. Tak sedap pula. Padam. Very sooty flame. Okay, normally kalau nak buat eksperimen, kita akan guna hexane dengan hexene. Use in lab. Why? Because hexane and hexene are liquid. Kita tak boleh guna ethene atau propene because both of it is gas at room temperature. So not easy to handle. So normally to compare, we use hexane and hexene. Okay, reaction with bromine water. Bromine water, the color is brown. So for hexane, when we add bromine water, no visible change atau we call it no change. But in hexene, brown bromine water turn colourless. Why? Sebab bromine tadi dah masuk dalam struktur dia. So there is no Br2. Yang beri colour brown tu Br2. Okay. Next, reaction with acidified potassium manganate 7 solution. This one colour dia adalah purple. So for hexane, there is no change. But in hexene, purple colour of acidified potassium manganate 7 decolorized. Okay, ni kita tambah solution. Okay. Okay, next. Calculate percentage of carbon. Okay, ni soalan yang selalu glamour. Calculate the percentage of carbon. Tambah dalam soalan biasa dia akan sebut by mass. Okay. So, for hexene, mula-mula kita kena tahu hexene tu berapa. So, dia hexane tu berapa? C6H14. Hexene C6H12. And then, we calculate percentage of carbon by mass. Wajib tulis ni. So, 6/12 bahagi 6/12 tambah 14/1. So, dapatlah peratus dia. And then, kita buat method yang sama untuk hexene. So, which compound produce more soot? Hexene. Why? Because percentage of carbon by mass is higher. Okay. List 4 similar physical properties of alkane and alkene. This one kita dah buat dah, kita dah belajar masa tu. Insoluble in water. Soluble in organic solvent. Low melting and boiling point. Okay. Cannot conduct electricity in all state. And low density. Ini yang biasa. Okay, compare the chemical properties of alkane and alkene. Okay, compare. Sootiness, this one alkene high, alkene low. Bromine water, kalau alkene change brown to colourless. Kalau alkene no change. Kalau acidified potassium manganate 7 solution, it change, alkene will change purple to colourless. And alkane no change. Okay, boleh So far ada persoalan boleh tanya.